Grand Theft Auto Online's microtransactions are big business. Microtransactions in Grand Theft Auto Online might not seem like a big part of the experience. But according to documents accompanying a recent lawsuit against Rockstar parent company Take-Two Interactive, those little in-game purchases add up to $500 million in revenue. Have you been spending some money on microtransactions in GTA Online, or other games, and how much? Please leave a comment. The lawsuit is being brought against Take-Two by former Rockstar North president Leslie Benzies, who claims the company tried to force him out of the company after he returned from sabbatical. GTA 5 has been an incredible success for Take-Two. During its investors' call in February, Take-Two revealed GTA 5 had sold 60 million copies since it was first released. In fact, in the period between August 2015 and February of this year, GTA 5 averaged sales of 1 million copies per month. Link to the full article is in the description.